So the final man to drop in on run number 2, he is an expert in the world of big air. This is Max Parrot, 21 years of age out of Quebec, Canada. Todd, he has so many firsts on his resume. You talk about the first backside double, triple cork, the first switch quarter, quadruple. I mean, he's done a little bit of everything, really pushing the progress of the sport.
He's comfortable, looking like a flipping maniac in the air. Let's see what happens right here. Max Parrot, he could possibly put down the triple. 1, 2, 3, boom. Max Parrot will now go into the lead. That was 3 times up and over. Max Parrot is so comfortable doing that trick. Wow.
Give it up for Max Parrot, come on!
And that is the reason why he is your #1 qualifier.
Check it out right here. Starts the wind up. You can see his arms initiating the spin. Drops that head once. Whips it around again twice, and then commits to that 3rd flip.
4 rotations.
Insane. As soon as he leaves that lip, he's got to snap. If he doesn't snap it hard enough when he leaves the lip, he's not going to make it all the way around. Obviously, you can make the comparison right here of aerial skiing and triple corking.
Look at the landing.
Just the commitment of that puts it down perfectly.
So Max Parrot with a fantastic run, #2. That should jump him way on top of the leaderboard. How about this second run score? 96.25. How about that bonus? 183.50.
Stick a fork in it, it could be done.